Good day? Enjoyed yourself? We've got 3 of these. These are the Jack Pyke Maxi decoy bag in the Evo pattern. Youngster, you can get all your gear in there, and they're such a good rucksack. I love them. No, they're good bits of kit, these. And I can tell you exactly how many pigeons you get in there. At a push, you can get 85.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely awesome. But when it's full of pigeons, it's getting it on your back is the hard bit. Because when you do get it on your back, you've got to try and get up off the ground. Ain't easy, I'll tell you.
How much does 85 pigeons weigh then?
Heavy.
It's heavy. Oh, that hit that sort of level, is it?
It has. It's it heavy level. Heavy level.
Can you get 2 on you? You like proper pack horse?
Funny you should say that. I've had 1 full one and 1 half full, and Regan was there to witness it. That's it. Put all the decoys here. Yeah, there was about 100 and I think it was about 150. I think it was. And I'll tell you what, that nearly killed me. That nearly killed me. I put one rucksack on my back, and the other one I lifted it up and put it on top of the rucksack that was on my back. Oh, it's like carrying a cow. Not that I carry many cows, but it was like carrying a cow. What's that, off the flapper? Good boy.